Hello, welcome to my channel. I'm Wil Russell and this is WR Guitar. On this video I'm going to be teaching you how to play Crazy Train by Ozzy Osbourne. Alright, so we're going to start off on the 2nd fret of the 1st string, the E string, with our 1st finger. And we're going to do 2 down picks on that E string, 2nd fret. We're then going to jump up to the 4th fret of the string below that, the A string, with our ring finger, and we're going to do 1 pick. So that's 2 picks, 2nd fret on the E string, up to the 4th fret of the A, and then we're going to return back to the 2nd fret of the E for a single stroke. We're then going to jump up to the 5th fret of the A with either our pinky or our 3rd finger. I'm not going to lie, the pinky would be better, but you do you. And we're going to go back to the 2nd fret of the E with our 1st finger. We're then going to go back to the 4th fret of the A with our 3rd finger, and back to the 2nd fret of the E with our 2nd finger. So there's a little bit of a pattern going on here. So that's the first chunk of riff. We're then going to go for the 2nd fret of the A now, so we're changing the string. We're going to 2nd fret A with our 1st finger. We're then going to the 5th fret of the E with our pinky, to the 4th fret with our ring, and back to the 5th fret with our pinky. We then go back to the 2nd fret of the A with our 1st finger, then to the 5th fret of our E with the pinky, to the 4th fret with the ring, and then we do a nice fat chunky E to finish the riff. So this is all of it in slow-mo. 2nd fret E twice, 4th fret A, 2nd fret E, 5th fret A, 2nd fret E, 4th fret A, 2nd fret E, then we jump down to the A, 2nd fret A, 5th fret E, 4th fret E, 5th fret E, 2nd fret A again, 5th fret E, 4th fret E, and open A. So there we have it. There is my tutorial for Crazy Train by Ozzy Osbourne. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial today, but if you have any questions at all, make sure you whack them in the comments so I can get back to you and help you along the way. If you dig this tutorial though, make sure you check out the rest of WR Guitar and click that subscribe button so we can keep learning and playing together.